Hey, good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this Saturday, August the 3rd, 2013. We've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms on the radar this afternoon. On top of that, the potential for one or two of those to become marginally severe over the next, few hours or so. We'll talk about that and also get you through the forecast over the next 7 days. Let's go ahead and talk about what's going on right now across eastern North Carolina. All right, here's a look at Live Viper 9 this afternoon. We're doing this update at 4:45 this afternoon. We've got some showers and thunderstorms, obviously, on the radar this afternoon. A pretty strong one at the mouth of the Alligator River, north of the bridge into northern portions of Dare County, mainland Dare County, and also out towards Conglington Island, out there along the Outer Banks. Also, just to the east of, Duck, and north of Kitty Hawk, also out towards Corolla, seeing some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Also into northern Currituck County, seeing some showers and thunderstorms. Down to the south of there, we've got a nice little downpour just south of Plymouth in southern Washington, central and southern Washington County, stretching back over, we'll say just to the north of the Ponzer community by about 8 miles or so. Also, southern portions of Pitt County, northern portions of Lenoir County getting in on some of the action this afternoon. North of Kinston or near Grifton, out towards the transmitter tower. Also, along Highway 33 down through Aurora, back up towards Cox Crossroads and Blunt's Creek, seeing some showers, and also down into Pamlico County as well, rural portions of Pamlico County this afternoon. Nice little downpour into Pender County out along Highway 53, just south and west of the county line of Pender and Onslow. Also out towards Catherine Lake, seeing a little downpour, and north near Gum Branch and Half Moon, north of Jacksonville, seeing a light shower this afternoon. And up to the north of there, we've got a nice little downpour right along the Virginia-North Carolina state line into Northampton County this afternoon, north of Roanoke Rapids. On the wide scale, we are watching these showers and thunderstorms still rolling through the area. There is going to continue to be that chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be on the strong side, especially as that frontal boundary approaches us from the north and the west. You see that starting to make its way into Kentucky at this point. We have weak high pressure on top of us right now, but in front of that, very moist atmosphere. Precipitable water values up around 2 inches today. We're going to continue to watch this over the next couple of hours. The SPC has us underneath a slight risk for severe weather this afternoon across all of eastern North Carolina. Doesn't matter where you are. There's going to be that slight risk for severe weather this afternoon. Main threat is going to be winds. Not going to be anything as far as tornadoes are concerned. I don't see a tornadic threat. There's going to be more so the potential for a few damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour this afternoon. And what I mean by damaging wind gusts, it has to be over 58 miles per hour, so to be considered severe. We do, like I said, have a few showers and thunderstorms firing up this afternoon. We'll keep a close eye out on the radar. Here's a look at the precision forecast, and it started at 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's verifying fairly well today. Running through this evening, still that chance for showers and thunderstorms. You see by 7 o'clock in the morning, we clear out pretty much fairly quickly by tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, we start to get westerly winds out ahead of the frontal boundary. Temperatures, low 70s, mid 70s along the coast. It should be an alright start to the morning. Now, the frontal boundary sinks southward through the afternoon hours. And I think the best chance of rain likely to stay south of US 70 going into your Sunday. I put a 30% chance in there. I have a feeling that we could still have enough low-level moisture to get a few showers and thunderstorms popping tomorrow. But look at the temperature gradient. 80 degrees in Wilson, 82 in Greenville, but 90 degrees down in Jacksonville. South of US 70, likely going to be fairly warm tomorrow, as the boundary takes a longer time to get through that area. We'll go with a mix of sun and clouds through the day on Sunday. Here's the look on Sunday, and once again, the trough is going to be rolling through the flow at that point, and I think that the GFS is a little bit slower than the European and the NAM on this system. The NAM and the European get it on out of here by early tomorrow morning, by about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. The GFS gets the front through by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it will depend on which model that you like, how fast the frontal boundary gets through here. Now, the implications of the frontal boundary for tomorrow will be more so in the way of cloud cover, rain chances, and also temperatures. Reasoning why the temperatures could be a little varying, like I showed you on the precision forecast model. If you get a little bit, if the frontal boundary moves through quickly enough, some areas north of US 70 could have a little bit of an issue to get out of the mid 80s tomorrow. So we're going mid to upper 80s, to kind of depending on where you are tomorrow. It will depend on that, and also that chance for rain. I think the best rain chance likely going to be south of US 70 and east of 17 through tomorrow. Here's the look on Monday. Northwest flow aloft, and it gets dry in here. At the surface, high pressure takes hold, and I don't foresee very many showers, if any, going in towards Monday. Now, the problem with this is, usually when we get a little bit of a northerly or easterly flow, we kind of get a little bit of a inversion layer to set up in the lowest levels of the atmosphere. The thing is that it will be dry, but the problem is that with the recent rains, there could be a period where we see a stratiform deck set up in the low levels of the atmosphere. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but there is the potential for that to happen early Monday that could prevent seeing more sunshine through Monday afternoon. We'll watch it, but I think that more so you'll see drier conditions, drier air in place. Dew points will likely be into the 50s. That's very rare for this time of the year. It'll be a nice little thing. Temperatures likely to top out mid 80s going in towards Monday. A very, very, very slim chance for a shower or thunderstorm that afternoon. We still keep the northwest flow aloft, and up to the north, you see there's areas of energy just looming off to the north at this point. And the upper air pattern shows a ridge of high pressure over Texas, southwest Louisiana at this point. And I will say this type of pattern leans a little closer to more of an MCS train, basically trains of showers and thunderstorms each and every single day. The good thing is, with the dry air in place at the surface, we're not going to be looking for very much in the way of rainfall at the surface, even on Tuesday, but the better rain chances move in here later in the week. Here's the look on Tuesday, and you see some showers inland, further east, west of I-95 and north of us. I will mention a shower chance on Tuesday. I'm not that confident to say no, there's not going to be any rain, but more than likely there will be a dry period for Monday and Tuesday. Upper air winds go a little bit more westerly, a little bit more zonal flow, and we get some kinks in there as well. Though the GFS keeps us mainly dry on Wednesday, I wouldn't be surprised though. 1 or 2 showers and thunderstorms, not out of the question going in towards Wednesday, and the heights do come up going through Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's going to bring up temperatures just a notch every single day. By Thursday, the upper level winds come a little bit more towards the southwest rather, and the ridge down to the south and the east of us at that point. That's going to be more so the dirty side of the high, bringing up moisture into the area. Though on the GFS, it keeps us mainly dry. But with that southwest flow, I cannot rule out a shower or thunderstorm chance, even going into Thursday. But temperatures, like I said, warming up. And you see looming back off to the west, their next frontal boundary. Southwest flow from the ridge to the south and east of us going into late on Friday rather. And pieces of energy rolling around the north side of that. That's going to allow for some showers and thunderstorms once again. And the QPF fields come up a little bit on a Friday. Temperatures on Friday likely going to be the hottest day of the week. We'll be closing in on, if not at 90, maybe a touch above that. Here comes our next frontal boundary in here by Saturday. And it just lays in here thick come in Saturday. I think Saturday likely the wettest day of the week this upcoming week. Here's the end of the forecast period early Sunday morning, and next little wave up to the north of us. We'll still have a residual boundary at the surface from the frontal boundary moving in on Saturday, so that'll keep a rain chance even through the overnight hours of Saturday into Sunday of next week. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Once again, a chance for showers and thunderstorms through Sunday, but that dry air is going to try to help to cap that off fairly quickly. So likely early in the morning time hours, that's when you're going to see a best chance of rain. North, south is likely going to be the best chance during the afternoon hours in that moist flow. Dry air really punches in here through Monday. Tuesday, low end rain chances. By Thursday, Friday, that's going to be our next better rain chances in here. Then Saturday, the best rain chance of the upcoming work week. High temperatures will be warming up each and every day. You see 84 Monday, 86 on Tuesday, Tuesday, 88 on Wednesday and Thursday as those heights come up. 90 by Friday as the heights exceed, we get up there close to 594 as that ridge builds into the southwest. And then it's going to be a similar atmosphere on Saturday, but more cloud cover and also better rain coverage through Saturday afternoon. That'll keep temperatures down a good bit as well. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here by tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep you updated on the storm situation on Facebook and Twitter as well this evening as we go through the next couple of hours. And hopefully by tomorrow that dry air punches in here and looks like it's going to be a decent day. Have a great evening, a great night. Stay safe out there, and a great weather week.